4 healthy food and 4 easiest way to make a baby food above 6 months to eat, based and step-by-step tutorial. Hello sweet team, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are watching Lady B Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm super excited to bring to you 4 easiest way to make your baby food at home. Baby above 6 months can eat this food. This time around, you will not be thinking on how to get the food that we use to change your baby's daily meal after watching this video. Step-by-step tutorial. Let's dive in this video. The first on our list, we have chickpea. Chickpea is a food that you can use to support your baby's daily meal. You can have this in every available supermarket around your street. I will still drop the pack of this food in case you go to supermarket to get it. Now I will transfer everything inside this cooking pot. Now I will be adding a water that will enable this to cook for 30 minutes. Now I will transfer everything inside this bowl, then add in cold water. Check it out. Adding the cold water, I'm going to use it to wash it very well. So I'm going to wash this as if I'm washing the beans that I'm going to use to do moi, because I'm going to get rid of the skin. Now that I'm done washing it, you can see how different it looks. So at this point, it's ready to cook. So now I'm going to transfer everything again back to the cooking pot. So this will be cooking for 1 hour. So this take long time to cook. You can as well go to mall and buy already cooked one just for you to heat it, like warm it and blend it for the kids to eat. So me, I just go raw direct. So you can go for already cooked. So now it's done. So after 1 hour, this is what we have. So at this point it's done and it's so soft to eat at this point. Check it out. Check it out. I'm going to be matching the food with fresh liquid milk. If you are still a breastfeeding mom and you have a lot of milk from your breast, you can as well use it to blend the food for the kids. So it's still going to be a long healthy for them. So me, I'm using fresh liquid milk. So I'm still a breastfeeding mom, but I'm not pumping my breast. So now after blending, I will just transfer it inside the feeding bowl and feed to my kids. So this is what we have after blending. So my people, this is just so healthy. So normally they eat this for lunch. Then eating it lunch doesn't mean they're not supposed to eat it for breakfast or dinner. So you just choose the time, or anytime you just feel like giving your kids the food, you can give it to them, because this is just so nice and healthy for every kids to eat above 6 months. Next we have carrot. I will be using carrot and half cup of rice. You can as well use only carrot if you want. I will just add in water that will enable me to cook the rice and carrot, then add in the already washed rice. So I have half cup of rice, then I will just add in the carrot, then cover and cook for 20 to 15 minutes until it's cooked. Here I'm still adding salt, so I only season with salt. After cooking the rice and carrot, you can see how soft that look. You can see I can just burst it with my hand. So for you to see how soft and cook it was, just add it inside this cup, then add in the same milk. So I'm still using the same milk to blend. Then add in my hand mixer to mash the food. So if you don't have hand mixer, you can always use your blender to grind the food for the kids. So all is useful. So me, I just be using my hand mixer to do this. It's just easiest for me to do with my hand mixer. After blending, this is what we have. Looks so smooth and fluffy. I will add everything inside my feeding bowl. So now it's ready for them to eat. Just take a good look at this. Just take a good look at this. It's just so nice and yummy. We have potato. Potato is one of the healthiest food all over the world. Any country you go, you will find potato. It's good for babies and it's good for adults. All I will do is to clean out the skin, then wash with clean water and add it inside a cooking pot, then cook until ready to blend. After cooking the potato, this is what we have. At this point, it has cooked and is ready to use. This my pot, it don't dey fuck up. It nearly begin dey burn the food though. So you can see how cooked and soft this look. So now it's cooked and this is what we have. So here I still have my blending cup, so I will add the food inside the cup, then add in the milk. So I still going to be blending with the milk, then add my hand mixer and mash the food until it's nice and smooth for them to eat.
Check it out.
Just look at that, my people. What are you seeing? Are you not seeing healthy food here? Just delicious and yummy. Even me, I taste this food though. I chop with them, my people, because it's just so delicious. That is it, my people. This is one of the food you will be using to support your baby's daily meal. Even if they eat this once a day, it's a good thing for them, and it's a nice healthy food for them. So that is what I does, and I have my baby's food video I still share with you guys. If you haven't watched that one, you have to give it a watch. Next we have pumpkin. This is one of the food I love giving my kids, especially for lunch. All I will do is to peel out the back, then take out the seed, then wash with clean water and add it inside a boiled water and cook this for 5 to 6 minutes until it's soft and tender to blend. After cooking, this is what we have. So regarding the water that you are seeing here, even you as mother can stream out this water, then add it inside the cup, then drink it. It's just so healthy for your body, and you can as well use the water to blend the food by adding it with milk. That is it, my people. If you liked and enjoyed this baby food recipe that I'm dropping, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any video that you want me to film, let me know in the comment section, especially baby food recipe. And for those of us that have already dropped me DM regarding the next video they will like to watch from my channel regarding baby food recipe, most of your videos I've already ordered the recipe. Trust me, it will be coming out soon. So that is it, and I hope you guys enjoy this one we are watching today. And if you do, please don't forget to share and let me know you share this video out. So look at that. Look at that, my people. So now I will just add it inside the feeding bowl and feed them to eat. Nothing else, my people. Now so the food rich. Look at now. Even you can just sit down, swallow this one and focus on your day. It's just so nice for the body. After eating this one, your body go dey cooler. You go focus now. That's so it be, my people. I love you guys. I appreciate your support. See you all in my next one. Bye.